Hello everyone. Let's look into another topic today, which is subtraction of integers. Now when you want to subtract integers, before you learn that, you need to know how to add integers, which I discussed in my previous video. I would suggest you go and check that video. I will also put the link in the description box for you. But what are the rules to add integers? The rules are pretty straightforward. Basically, we are using only addition rules, but there is only one addition to that, which is change the two signs and then use addition rules of integers. So you need to know the addition rules of integers. That is why I was laying emphasis on going and checking that. Now, but there is something interesting, which is two signs. Which two signs are we going to change? Let's look at that. First example, here you want to subtract the two integers. First sign remains unchanged, so positive 5 remains positive 5. You want to change these two signs. This negative becomes positive and this positive becomes negative. Now you have to use the same rules of addition when you want to add two integers that have different signs. You just subtract 5 and 3, you get 2. Which sign should we use? Sign of 5, because 5 is a greater number. Another example here, you have negative 4, which remains unchanged. Again, you want to subtract, so you want to change these two signs. And once you change these two signs, you change the subtraction equation to a addition equation, which we'll learn later. But we have negative 4 and 6. You want to subtract 6 and 4, you get 2. Which sign should we use? Sign of 6, because 6 is greater than 2. Let's look at another example, but this one is interesting because here is just 8. There is no sign. But when there is no sign, it is considered as a positive sign in integers. You want to change these two signs, positive and positive. Now we are adding two integers that carry same sign. When they carry same sign, what do? Simply you just add them and then you use the same sign that was given in the question, which was positive. Another example here, negative 5, which remains unchanged. We do not change that. We change these two signs, positive and negative here. Now we are adding two integers that carry same negative sign. So we just want to add them, 9, and which sign should we use? Sign of negative, which was given in the question. I hope you learn how to subtract integers, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you.